In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with ConvertKit. This is a fantastic way to enhance your email collection and manage your subscribers more effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into it. First, what is Wix? Wix is a user-friendly website builder that allows you to create a stunning website without needing to know any code. And ConvertKit, it's a powerful email marketing tool designed specifically for creators, helping you grow your audience and engage with them more effectively. Now, to get started with integrating Wix and ConvertKit, you'll need to have accounts set up on both platforms. Once you've logged into Wix and ConvertKit, we can move ahead. Begin by navigating to your Wix site dashboard. From here, you want to select the site you wish to work on. Once you're on your site's dashboard, go to the Settings tab. Within the Settings menu, look for an option that says Integrations. After clicking on Integrations, you should see a list of available integrations. Find ConvertKit in the list or use the search bar to make things quicker. When you spot ConvertKit, you'll click on it, which will allow you to connect your accounts. Wix will then prompt you to enter your ConvertKit API key. But wait, how do you find this API key? No worries, I've got you covered. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in ConvertKit, navigate to Account Settings. This is usually found under your account name in the upper right corner of the dashboard. In Account Settings, scroll down until you reach the section labeled API Key. Here, you'll see your API key. Go ahead and copy this key. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so make sure you get the whole thing. Now, return to your Wix dashboard where you were connecting ConvertKit. Paste that API key into the appropriate field. Once you've done that, click on the button that says Connect or whatever prompt it provides you to finalize the connection. This step should link your Wix site to your ConvertKit account. After successfully connecting your accounts, it's time to set up forms to collect email addresses from your visitors. Back in Wix, go to your site editor and choose the page where you'd like to place your email sign-up form. You can also add a form to your home page for higher visibility. To add a form, head to the Add menu on the left side of the editor. Look for Contact or Forms, depending on your version of Wix. Once you find it, you'll have different form templates to choose from. Select a form that offends your audience well or customize one to fit your brand. After you've added the form, you need to connect it with ConvertKit. Click on the form to select it, and then look for the Settings or Connect option typically found in a menu that appears to the right. Here, you should see an option to integrate with ConvertKit. When you click on that, it will ask you which ConvertKit form or sequence you want to connect. You should already have forms or sequences set up in ConvertKit. If you don't, you'll need to hop back over to your ConvertKit account and create one. Once you've got your desired ConvertKit form or sequence, go back to your Wix settings and select it from the drop-down list. To finalize everything, make sure to save your changes in Wix. Don't forget to publish your site so all those changes go live. It's always exciting to see how your audience will interact with your new integration. That's it. You've successfully integrated Wix with ConvertKit. Now you're all set to grow your email list and manage your subscribers more easily. Remember, it's all about nurturing those relationships through consistent and valuable email communication. Thank you for sticking with me through this integration process. If you found this video valuable, make sure to give it a thumbs